Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add transitions in Kdenlive. In here, we have two clips on your timeline, and there are some space between them for the transition. However, the bar button between the clips, and you will see options for different transitions. Click on the purple button to add default transitions. If you want transition to be longer or shorter, move the second clip to right to increase duration or to the left to decrease it. Click on the Add transition between the clips. Navigate to Effect and choose Composite Stack. In the Composite Stack settings, you can change the wipe method to different options. Adjust the softness parameter to make transitions smoother. You can play with other settings like invert or revert for different effects. Play video to preview the add transition and make sure it meets your preferences. And once you are satisfied with transition, save your project and you are done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.